bottom half of his body is on the stairs. The top half of it is on the couch. Why he looks so grumpy? He looks so grumpy. I got a coffee delivery. This is my favorite. Hi, Bronx. Why you look so grumpy? Are you grumpy? His little cherry eyes popping out just a little bit. Aww, you look so sad. Why are you sitting down there? Hey, bud. Hi. Hi, what's going on, bud? You're so cute. You okay? You okay? Okay. Let's see. Let's see, my little baby. You okay? Yeah, you okay? Okay. You just look so sad. Why you look so sad, huh? Hi. Why do you look so sad, bud? Oh, 너 눈곱 있자. 눈곱 있다. 봐봐. Let me see. Look at mommy. Hi, Munchkin. Hi. Hi. What's with that side eye? Hi. You're so silly. You're so silly. Yeah, you're so silly. You handsome little boy. My handsome little boy. My handsome little boy. You okay?
Be careful.
He's so cold that I had to wrap him in a blanket before Edwin brings him upstairs to wash his feet, but he's shivering because he's so cold. I know. You look like E.T. Just got back from the grocery store. I'm just gonna do a quick haul. We'll start with the Trader Joe's haul. So I got these organic gala apples. Behind this, we have envy apples. Then we have rave apples, so 3 different types. Rave apples, I think, are like the newest thing, or maybe not, I don't know. But this one, the description is outrageously juicy with a refreshing, snappy zing. Then we also have 100% honey crisp apple cider. Potatoes, we have some ice cream. So this is my first time trying this one. Hold a cone. I think these are mini ice cream cones. This one's chocolate chip. Behind that we have some whipping cream. I bought some basil because mine is dying right now. Some burrata, I don't know, burrata, Americanized version cheese. And then we have some ube ice cream. Apparently these are like hyped up too much and they're not like the best, but I just bought 2 since they had it. Then we have some very chocolatey fudge brownies. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's a oat non-dairy frozen dessert. I don't know, I guess I can't call it ice cream. I don't know, but these are very chocolatey with fudge brownies, so chocolate. And then we also have these strawberry, again, non-dairy oat frozen dessert. It's my first time trying all these and that ice cream. We'll see how it is. Then I think this is new. These are ghost pepper potato chips. Then we have some mini Marzano, I was gonna say peppers, tomatoes. These are delicious, not acidic at all. Then we have a little piece of Parmesan cheese. I have some shallots here. Moving on to Whole Foods. So I just got 2 loose carrots. This is my first time. Tony's Chocolonely, huh? Okay, anyway, these are chocolate wafer cookies. So I'm excited to try this one. Then we also have some salsa. I bought 2 boxes of rigatoni, puff pastry, and then these were on sale. These are gluten and vegan free. Oh no, I'm sorry. These are gluten free and vegan. Red velvet soft baked. Edwin doesn't need to know. He loves red velvet, but he does not need to know that these are gluten free and vegan. And lastly, I got some apricot preserves because I will be making an apple tart, as well as an apple turnover, which is why I bought these, along with those apples over there. And that's my haul. Oh, I think I forgot one thing. This is for Edwin. Dark chocolate peanut and almond bar, just as a snack. For dinner tonight, we have Din Tai Fung takeout. So here is the pork chop fried rice, which looks so freaking good. I'm so hungry. These are our pork buns. We also have, I think I read somewhere that these are glass noodles with tofu. And here's the soup for it. These are my all-time favorite. These are the shrimp and pork wontons with spicy sauce, which I'm gonna add to this in just a little bit, but this is dinner. So from Trader Joe's, I bought a whole bunch of apples because I wanted to make different apple desserts. So today is the day that I'm going to start making at least one of them. The first thing I'm going to make is apple turnovers, and then if I have time, I will make the apple tart. So here I have my puff pastry defrosting right now. I have 2 because I'm gonna make 2 or double the amount. Then I also have some apples that I need to finish peeling. I have some brown sugar, cornstarch, vanilla, cinnamon, and I might need a few other items, but first let's peel this. Okay, so I have some water here. I have a lemon that I cut. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of the lemon juice in there. And after I cut up my apples, I'm gonna put it in this water lemon mixture so that it stops from browning the apples while I'm waiting. Let me just grab that seed here. Where is it? Okay. Yeah, you just want it to, or you're doing this to stop browning, or stop the apples from browning. Apples are all peeled and I want to dice them up, get them into this lemon water before they start browning and oxidizing anymore. So all of my apples are diced and they're sitting in this water. They're such a mess right now. I don't know. I try to make them open and I don't know. Well, these are gonna go in the oven. We'll see. I know it'll taste good. It just does not look that great. These are the second batches that just came out and they look so much better. I mean, they definitely popped open on the sides, but much better than the first round, I would say. The shape and everything, but I should just keep my daytime job. Okay, let me try this really unaesthetically pleasing one. Yummy, this is like fall in a bite. That thing is so good. So it's cinnamony, it's sweet, it's apple flavor, and then the sauce kind of caramelizes a little bit in different areas, and so it kind of sticks to your teeth. It's just like this chewy, ooey goodness that's just so good. And then of course the puff pastry is just fluffy, flaky, buttery. I mean, it's so good. Hi, Bronx. He's shivering. You're cold? Okay. I will. Okay, go up there. Go up there. Go up there. How is it? Did he poo?
Yeah, he did.
You okay?
No, he's busy sniffing everything.
Hey, wait, Daddy. Oh my gosh, look at you're truly ET today, huh? Are you ET? Oh, you're so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, Daddy's gonna wipe you down now. Okay, babe. For dinner tonight, we're having penne alla vodka, except for instead of penne, we have rigatoni. I am going to end my night doing some laundry, watching some TV, and just relaxing.